Two fintech giants, each promising smarter spend management. But which one really delivers? On the left, Brex, global reach and integrated business banking. And on the right, Ramp, automated savings and effortless cash back. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive straight into what matters for your company. We'll score each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. The winner in 2025 might surprise you. All right. Before we get lost in the sauce, here's how I'm going to lay this out. We're comparing Brex and Ramp across rewards and points, automation and expense controls, global and scalability, business banking features, target business fit, usability and integration, and customer support and onboarding. Got all that? Cool. Let's jump in. First up, rewards and points. Brex goes all in with a point system, which, honestly, the bonus categories are kind of epic, especially if your team is spending on tech, travel, or dining. Plus, you get travel perks and some partner discounts. The only thing is, cashback redemption can be, well, kinda annoying if you just want simple. Now, Ramp is the epitome of simple. 1.5% cashback on literally everything. No tracking points, no games. But no bonus spend categories. So what you see is what you get. For rewards, Brex sneaks ahead thanks to those juicy bonuses. Moving on, automation and expense controls. Brex shows up with AI-driven policy checks, audit trails, and flexible approval workflows. Really good stuff if you like a system that thinks for you. Still, if you want deep, real-time automation, Ramp is where everyone's jaws drop. We're talking automatic expense sorting, receipt matching, instant alerts, and, built-in savings insights that make finance teams kinda swoon. Ramp takes the cake for automation, no contest. Now, let's go global and talk scalability. Brex basically lives for multi-currency and international payments, which honestly makes them perfect if you've got distributed teams or cross-border ambitions. The best part, it's not just a card, but a business account with proper global reach. The catch? They're really built for fast-growing VC-backed startups. Ramp, on the other hand, does do international reimbursements in like 70+ countries and can scale policies as you grow. But it's missing those full-on international payment powers. So, for the world travelers out there, Brex is the winner. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Brex hit a $12 billion valuation because they focused on VC-backed startups. But Ramp actually reached profitability way faster than any other mega fintech. Both are absolute unicorns, but yeah, that's a wild stat. Okay, let's talk about banking features, and this is big. Brex actually functions as a full-featured business bank. Checking, treasury, high-yield accounts, invoicing, FDIC insurance, the works. And you don't have to put in a personal guarantee or get a credit check, which is, honestly, wild. But hey, only VC-backed funded startups get in, so that's a bummer for some. Ramp, meanwhile, offers a high-yield treasury option, but no checking account, and it's pretty limited, to be real. Brex sweeps this category. Here's an important one. Target business fit. Brex is tuned to venture-backed, high-growth startups, and honestly, that's kind of their flex. Problem is, traditional SMBs or bootstrappers, sorry, you're out of luck. Ramp is way more open. Works for SMBs, startups, and even big enterprises. And you don't need a VC fairy godmother to get started. Ramp snags this one for being more inclusive. All right, how about usability and integrations? No matter which way you go, these two are killing it. Brex has a top-rated mobile app, super smooth integrations with QuickBooks, Expensify, and NetSuite, plus some AI automation in there. Ramp matches the vibe. Also a 4.9-star mobile app, seamless syncing with NetSuite and QuickBooks, and honestly, you might not need Expensify anymore with their automations. It's a tie, like literally too close to call. Last but not least, customer support and onboarding. Brex gives you 24/7 live support for your whole team and instant sign-up if you're eligible, which, to be fair, comes with a verification hoop if you're a funded startup. Ramp hits hard here too. Strong support and no waiting. Onboarding is quick and easy. Both are really solid, so gotta call this one a tie. Now, let's do the quick recap. Brex kind of owns rewards, global payments, and banking features, but it's super exclusive. Ramp goes hard on automation and fits a wider range of businesses, especially if you want everything streamlined and friction-free. So, what's my verdict? If you're a global team or you're living that funded startup life and need full-on banking plus bonus rewards, Brex is basically made for you. But if you're not rolling in VC cash or want top-tier automation plus dead simple cash back, Ramp is your best bet. Want more fintech breakdowns like this? Make sure to follow for clear, honest insights on all things business finance.